Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will spend our brain doing some numericals, so join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. Exercise questions. Problem 2.41 Symbols 3579 bromine and 79 bromine can be written, whereas symbols 7935 bromine and 35 bromine are not acceptable. Answer briefly. Solution. 3579 bromine and 79 bromine are acceptable and 7935 bromine and 35 bromine are not, because atomic number of an element bromine is fixed, whereas mass number of element bromine can vary depending upon the isotope. Therefore, it is compulsory to mention the mass number. Thank you for your attention. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.